Welcome to our latest video where we will be taking you on a tour of 31 elegant, exquisite and luxurious living rooms with a modern contemporary design style that you absolutely need to see. If you are looking for inspiration to elevate your living space, then you've come to the right place. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. We post new videos every week covering different styles, trends, and themes for your home. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. We would love to hear from you and know what you think. Hi everyone, I'm Lulu and I'm so excited to show you these amazing images in 4K and 60 frames per second of these elegant, exquisite and luxurious living rooms. Let's get started. The living room is the heart of your home where you can relax, entertain, and enjoy the company of your loved ones. It is also a reflection of your personality, taste, and style. If you are looking for some inspiration to transform your living room into a stunning space that exudes elegance, sophistication, and luxury, look no further than these 31 design ideas that showcase the best of modern contemporary design. So step into the world of luxury and elegance with 31 stunning living rooms featuring modern contemporary design from sleek furniture to stylish decor. Each room showcases exquisite taste and sophistication. Get inspired by the seamless blend of clean lines, high-end finishes, and upscale accents that create a truly lavish and inviting space. A contemporary and cool living room can make your home feel modern, sleek, and trendy. The key is to use a white, gray, and black palette and add some contemporary elements such as a modern sectional sofa, a stylish coffee table, or a LED light. You can also incorporate some cool touches such as a smart TV, a wireless speaker, or a remote control. Scandinavian and simple living room like this one can make your home feel calm, clean, and functional. The key is to use a light palette of white, gray, and beige and add some Scandinavian elements such as a fur rug, a wooden table, or a pendant light. You can also incorporate some simple touches such as minimalist shelf, a neutral curtain, or a potted plant. An eclectic and exciting living room can make your home feel creative, quirky, and original. The key is to use a rainbow palette of all the colors and add some eclectic elements such as a mismatched sofa, globe lamps, or interesting decorative elements. You can also incorporate some exciting touches such as a fancy chair, a popcorn machine, or even a disco ball. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video and got some inspiration for your own living room makeover. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more amazing design ideas. Also, don't forget to check out the links in the description box for more details on the products and services featuring in this video. Which living room design was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.